Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a hotel in the Luxury Escapes application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the search button at the bottom of the page, and then at the where to next section, click on the hotels button. So first you have to set a destination or the name of the hotel, and then you have to set the dates of your stay. And lastly, you have to set the number of adults or children staying with you. And if you are traveling with like friends, then you can add extra rooms if you want to. And then just click on the apply button and then click on the search button. And as you can see, here are all the available hotels in the selected destination. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.